Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy way of doing some marbling. It is different, maybe a little bit messy, but you know, why hey. But it is very easy to do and you get some really dramatic effect from it. So for the base of the nail I'm going to be using Beauty Big Bang, they're pink. That will go on all the nails as a base. And then I should be using Uniquenailz, my favourite, Champagne Bubbles. Then I should be using Madame Glam's White, Madame Glam's Black, and I should also be using this top coat as well, which is either Born Pretty or Beauty Big Bang, one of the two. And then here I should be using one of the polythene bags. And obviously I'll show you that as I'm going along. You will need a little container, a little dappen dish to put some acetone in, and a brush as well. So I'll get things ready and I'll be back. So with my hand, this one, I'm going to put one coat of the pink on this, and then I should cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'll be back. So you only need just one coat for a base, and I've cut the bag all around the edges, so now I've got two out of there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the polishes, and I'm going to start with where have we gone? We needed the pink back again. So we're going to use the pink again, and I'm going to just go across for how long. Well, it doesn't really matter because you can actually go over what isn't covered. So we'll do that with that one. Then I'm going to get, I think we'll use the black, and try to get a little blob on the end so that you're not touching the colour, and just make a pattern. I mean, obviously anything will do. And that's the black one. Now we'll go in with the gold. Do the same, try and get a bit on the end, and as you can see it is beginning to blend in. And then the last one is the white one. Same again, try to get a little blob on the end and just bring it around where you want it to be, if you don't want too much of the pink showing. And then all you need to do from there is just to fold it over and squash it. Just squash it too, and open it up, and then again you can go over slanted, and that will give you a different one. So just move these out of the way before I start. So I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to get, let's bring it forward, get the nail. You need a little bit of stability on this as well, so as you can press it on. So press that over there, lift it off, and wherever you've missed, as you know, you can see just press where you want it to be. And there you go. A totally different pattern. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, then I'll be back. So now that first one's done, I'm going to do the others and just to do the different patterns, and you're never going to get to the same. I've put a little bit of jewellery on, make it look a bit better. So I'll carry on. So all this is left to do now is just to put a top coat on. So I will do that and cure it for 60 seconds. So there they are, all finished. I'll put that underneath, maybe you can see it a bit better now. Put my hand under there. Perhaps move that out of the way. No, that still doesn't. But you can tell there that everyone is totally different, and if you want to use obviously a more black one or more of the gold or whatever, you can do exactly as you want to do. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!